Now, did you know that about 66% of the photographs involve a person or people? Do you know why? Again, TOEIC is more on everyday situation, how we communicate with other people, how we use our senses, how we use our vocabulary, idioms, understanding them. So it is more of our everyday lives. So this is why it actually focuses more on person or people and conversations. And in this part, or in this test, about 33% of the photographs involve an object or a scene. So there's no people in it. Now the sentences usually deal with the most important part of the picture, of course. So now we are going to focus more on strategies, listening strategies. We are on page 7 already. Now, you have to first always complete each item as quickly as possible, but do not hurry. It is better be sure than sorry. Okay, so as soon as you finish, you might want to look at the next photograph to preview it. So if you were done with the number 1 and you still have time, or you can take a quick look at the second photo to help you start, for you to start on your next idea or your next thought. So do not wait for the tape to announce the next item. And don't take a little break. Also remember, or some points to remember. Do not mark your answer until you heard all 4 choices. I know sometimes if you are really sure about choice A, you may want to mark it already or answer the question already. But to be sure, students, this applies not just on a TOEIC exam, but in all other exams that we take on our life. Okay, so please do listen to all the choices first. This will really help us to not commit mistakes. So try to eliminate choices. There are 4 choices, remember? So try to choose which are the least likely to be correct. Remove them until you are left with just 2 choices, and then you choose the best answer. Now, never leave blanks. If you don't know, guess. Now, if you are not sure about something, you try to choose the best answer that you think would answer the question. Now, when you finish one question, stop looking at it. Okay, try to move on and proceed to the next number. So again, when you are on a test, do not leave blanks. If you are unsure, if you don't know the answer, try to guess, but do not skip. Do not skip to the next number with a thought or thinking that you're just going to go back to it later on or after you finish the exam. Do not do that on this exam. But instead, if you are unsure about a specific item, just guess and proceed to the next question. Okay? Do not take a very long time on a specific question, but instead move on to the next. Now, we are on page 9.